Last night I started binge watching Suits. 5 episodes in a row in a onesie. That's a new low. I think we should do something more productive. These are tough times, but that's no excuse to go eating like a college student. So what exactly am I proposing here? A 3-week freezer meal cooking series. Whether it's soups, stews, or one-pot wonders, I suggest we make like a squirrel and start storing up for winter. The first class I'll plan, and during that first class, we're gonna powwow about what we will make for the rest of the series. Some favorite meals that come to mind: yam and ginger soup, broccoli potage, a root veggie stew, could have beef, doesn't have to. Wouldn't it be cool to have homemade tomato sauce in your freezer that you could bust out for pasta, pizza, or anything in between? There's so many options that we can make right now. As always, there will be meat and veggie options depending on the group that signs up. Get out your crock pots, your instant pots, or just your regular old pots. It's time to get back in the kitchen. Starting next Tuesday, October 27th, and the 2 weeks following. That is our 3-week window. To accommodate Canadian time zones, we will have a Dinner East and Dinner West cooking workshop. Dinner East, if you're in Toronto or anywhere on that time zone, we're starting at 5 o'clock. If you're on the West Coast, Vancouver, or anywhere in that time zone, we're starting at 5:30, according to your local times. And how much is this cooking endeavor and learning going to cost? I'm asking $35 per workshop, each of those workshops being 2 hours. And if you can't attend all 3, that's okay. I'm gonna record them and send them out to all the participants who've signed up. So regardless of whether you can make it or not, or you just wanna do the class again and again, you have access to it until the end of YouTube. If you really wanna participate and that price is just a bit out of reach for you right now, fire me an email and we can have a chat. Most important question, how do you sign up? Send me an email, please. My email is tasteandbalance@gmail.com. That email is in the notes to the video. It's also on my website. Once you email me, I'll send you all the details you need to know, including how to pay and secure your spot, what the Zoom link is, and we're gonna start a conversation about what things you wanna learn. If you know any friends or family who maybe could use a more productive activity in this very fun season we're having, please send this video along, tell them to get in touch. Whether you're back in lockdown or it's just gross outside, I guarantee this will be more entertaining than now.